Welcome back to TechVibes. Today I have a brand new all-in-one free app for you. It is fully loaded with over 50,000 movies and TV shows. I will show you exactly how to get it on your Fire Stick. First, go to the magnifying glass on your home screen. Search for the Downloader app. Select the orange icon and click Download. Before opening it, we need to adjust your settings. Go to the home screen and navigate to Settings, then select My Fire TV. Click on About. Highlight your device name and click the center button on your remote several times until it says you are a developer. Go back one screen and open Developer Options. Turn ADB debugging on. Click Install Unknown Apps and turn the setting on for the Downloader app. Now open the Downloader app. Click the search box to bring up the keypad. Type in the website URL unlinked.link to find the unlinked app. Scroll down and click Download APK Android. Click Install. Once it is done, click Delete to remove the unnecessary installation file. Go back to Settings, then My Fire TV, and open Developer Options. Click Install Unknown Apps and turn the setting on for the unlinked app. Open the unlinked app from your apps list. Click Add New Library. Enter the special store code, Fire Media, to access my personal app store called the Fire Vault. Please smash that subscribe button to support the channel. Inside the store, you will see many apps. Scroll down to find Vultra TV. Click the center button, then click Download. Click Install App and confirm the installation. Go back to your home screen and scroll to the end of your apps list. Highlight the new apps, hold down the center button on your remote and select Move to Front. Do this for all of them so they appear first on your home screen. Never open third-party apps without protecting yourself. I highly recommend using NordVPN to run any app smoothly on your device. It bypasses internet restrictions and stops buffering. The installation link is mentioned in the description and comments. Open NordVPN and click Connect. Once your country highlights green, your connection is fully secure. Now you can safely open Vultra TV and enjoy unlimited free entertainment. Drop a like if this helped you out. Leave a comment with your device model if you have any questions. Subscribe to TechVibes and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video.